Today I'll show you how to rename a channel on your Koqit K1 free satellite receiver. The channel that I'm going to rename today is this one here. It scans in as channel 1, but it's actually the True Crime Network. So let's rename it. So we'll go to our main menu, go to channel list, and then click on TV channel list. And here's the channel here. It's already highlighted. And at the bottom of the screen, you see those colored buttons there. Press the yellow button on your remote to edit this channel. Then press the blue button to rename it. And then this little screen comes up here, and when you click OK, a keyboard pops up, and you can just use the backspace button to get rid of the old name and put in the new name. And when you're done, just press enter. And hit save, the yellow button. And there it is, renamed. And now going to my electronic program guide, there it is, True Crime.